Hey YouTube, still Cardyn here. I've just landed in London Heathrow. If you're new here, my name is Dill. I'm a travel lover who lives in Dubai. I've just flown to London from Nigeria. So when you get to London, the first thing you're gonna have to do is provide proof of a negative PCR test. So before you fly, make sure that you do a PCR test within 72 hours of you landing. The next thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take 2 COVID tests. Book it online before you arrive. It costs £210 and it's basically for a COVID test package kit, which they mail to you. So before you fly, you're gonna have to book this online and pay £210 online and provide them with an address that they can deliver it to. I also heard from someone that they can do surprise visits to that address of yours to make sure that you're there quarantining, but it's probably just a rumor. Anyway, I'll provide you the link for booking the test in the description below. And just remember to do it before you fly. You're gonna have to do the tests on the 2nd and the 8th day of your quarantine and mail the samples back in by post. They provide you with everything, even the box that you have to mail it back in. So it's super easy. Since I've come from an amber country, I have to quarantine for 10 days and do these 2 tests and send them in. So that gives me 4 days to go out and do things and explore. There was an option for test to release, which is where you can do a test on day 5, but I figured that would give me a maximum of 3 days of quarantining less, and I was pretty alright with those 3 extra days of quarantining, honestly, and it's already been pretty costly. Wow, look at how empty this airport is. There's the red list quarantine over here. Sorry, I might be a bit muffled, but legit, look at how empty this airport is. What am I doing in London? I don't even know. It's empty. I'm legit like the only person here, the only psycho person who's decided to come to the UK when it's freezing and I have to quarantine for 10 days and everything is closed, all the bars, all the clubs, everything is closed. I'm the only crazy person who came here. But genuinely though, like, I really had to figure out a way to get back to Dubai with the whole ban going on. Like, anyone who has been within Nigeria or even transited through Nigeria, so not even like, it's like if you've even gone through the Lagos airport and the Abuja airport, you basically can't enter the UAE. So I really have to come here and kill 14 days and that's what I'm gonna do. Me alone, the only tourist, the only psychotic tourist in the whole of London. Oh, here's the baggage claim, which is also empty. Alright, now I'm gonna tell you about step 3. You're gonna have to fill the passenger locator form 48 hours before you fly. You have to fill all your information in here, where you're gonna be staying, your contact information, the reference number of your COVID test kits booking. They even call you up to make sure that you've received your test kit after they've sent it to you. So, just make sure all of that information is correct and they can reach you easily on it. I filled all of that up before I left Nigeria. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, I was in Nigeria for the past 6 months. It was honestly an incredible experience for me to live in a third world country for an extended period and live a very different lifestyle. I have quite a few videos that I recorded in Nigeria. I'm gonna link them up here on the right. So check them out. Let me know what you think. Feel free to hit the like button. It is free. And subscribe if you want to watch more videos. I have so much more exciting content to come, guys. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. And until then, alright, you're gonna watch me embarrass myself. Oops. cool. So now all that's left is that red bag that they checked in, which was supposed to be my hand luggage. I really hope it comes out soon, because I don't see it at all. I got it! Cool. We're ready. It's early. Just me walking out, walking to the exit. This is like the security point where they open the bags and they check the bags and stuff. There is nobody. Okay, past the doors and saw one person, but yeah, it's just empty, man. This is so lovely. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Look at the trees. That's it, I'm in London. All right, my Uber is here. I got to go. Thank you. All right, that's me. I'm gonna be looking for the guy who is in row R here. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. I can't believe I'm in London. R, I see R. Okay, see R. Okay. Hi there. Oren?
Oh, yes, hi.
Hi, how are you? Bags all here. Entrance here. Guys, I'm in